Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
All right, guys, here's an episode of Versus. This is Dill Pickles versus bread and butter pickles. What's the difference? Well, the dill pickle is, of course, tart. I like them in tuna, even in salads, sometimes with hamburgers, cheeseburgers. In fact, it's preferred, the dill pickle, in cheeseburgers, but I've had cheeseburgers with the bread and butter or the sweet pickle, and boy, is it a difference. The dill pickle is made out of, what's it made out of here? It's made out of lots of ingredients. It's got a more garlicky and a dill taste. And if you want something a little savory and tart, you go for the dill pickle. What about that bread and butter pickle? There's dilly. There's bread and butter. And again, these are a lot sweeter. These work really good in tuna and in salads. But they're so sweet. I never usually have them with a cheeseburger, but when I went to Wahlburgers in Las Vegas, I was like, what is that different taste? What is that different taste? And they go, we use bread and butter, sweet pickles on our burgers. And I'm like, oh, that's what you're talking about. These also work good in deviled eggs, things like that. So the versus is, which pickle do you prefer? Pickle prefer. And I think it's just about individual taste and what you're planning to make. The dill gherkin has its place. I find them crunchier. But if you're in the mood for something a little sweeter, you got to go for the bread and butter. You could probably make an ice cream out of that one. I prefer the dill. My wife likes the bread and butter in her tuna. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 at all my socials. Keep living life 365. Subscribe, tell people. Till next time, peace.
Live life 365.
Which pickle which, and keep living life. Here's a pickle. Here, put that pickle right there. Ba 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 ba.